Hello everyone, this is Tom from Stock Navigators and this is a weekly market forecast for the week of October 26, 2020. If you have been following me in my YouTube channel, every day in our live trading room, I look at the chart to analyze and give out a short-term price direction for my members to make some extra daily income and analyze a long-term stock price direction for swing trade so that they can make a bigger profit potential. 2 more weeks before the election, market may still have some volatility, plus because we have more virus case happen everywhere. But overall, the trend is still in the uptrend. So it doesn't matter who will win the election, the market will find a way to put it up in the future here. I will continue to update during the week so that make sure you are subscribed to our YouTube channel so that I can notify you on the new update. The market will do whatever it wants to do. As a trader, we only focus on the chart. The price on the chart will tell you everything. As stock navigators, we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price chart by using a modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology so that you can buy with the high probability of winning and a low risk trade. This is the only technical skill that you should learn before you start buying any stock, and you can manage your own financial future like your 401k or IRA account. But we understand that it's hard for you to know everything overnight, so we will mentor you every week so that before you can be successful. And we will guide you every day in our live trading room so that you can see that how the market moves, so that you can follow along and you can see the price action in real time so that you can make some extra daily income and manage your own stock portfolio. Now let's look at the chart so that we can see where the market is heading to. First of all, let's look at the SPY chart here. As you can see, the market is stuck into the sideways correction here. So right now, it looks like the market try to build a cup with handle here. So if we be able to break out this downtrend line here, the market will turn around and put it back to retest the all-time high here. And you can see that in the short-term 60-minute chart on Friday, the market is trying to break out here. So by Monday, if they be able to keep up the momentum, we'll have some more upside coming in. And if you look at the E-mini future, so after today Sunday, the market opened at 3 o'clock Pacific time. The market is put it down. We are still get stuck in the downtrend line here. Okay, so in order for the market to continue to put it up higher, we have to break out this downtrend line here by tomorrow or during the week so that we can resume the uptrend. Right now, we are still stuck in the sideways correction here. So until this one here be able to stabilize and put it back up and break out, that's where the bull will come in back in. If you look at the other index, the Dow it also do a same thing. They get stuck into the handle here before they can get out here to fulfill the cup with handle formation. Otherwise, we will still stuck in the rainbow here. Okay, because we are very close to election, plus more virus thing happen here. So let's see how the market react to those things here. The Nasdaq it also do the same thing. They do go up, they push it back down. They have a strong support at the neckline here, so this level need to hold them up and push it to the upside. The Russell 2000 is also stuck into the flag formation here. This is where the resistance they break out, they pull back. They have been hold up here a couple of times here. So if they can hold up somewhere here and turn around, okay, that will be the bullet coming in for the Russell 2000. Otherwise, we will stuck in the rainbow here. The gold is still going sideways here. They couldn't pass through the 50-day moving average. They still sideways in this channel there. Oil it also pushed it back down. They couldn't go higher. They stuck here, and now they losing momentum a little bit to the downside here. They have a strong support at this level right now. Bond is trying to gain momentum, so that's why the market it pushed it back down. But they will put it back up here. They have a strong resistance at 173 and 174 right there. The euro it also tried to put it back up, but they are still going sideways here. So As long as they can hold up here, they break out this level here, they can continue to the upside. Bitcoin it have a good week last week, and they are still continue to the upside right now. So they run up very fast. So right now probably they go sideways here, okay, before they can break out. And let's see it. You know, they are stuck into this rainbow here before they can break out this level and continue to the upside. If you look at a lot of sector that we have been analyze every week, I try to go with the main sector to see it, which stock is strong. Like XLU, it's the utility sector, still doing very well. They go here, they pull back, they break out, and they continue to the upside. So a couple of stocks and RG. Okay, so this is one of the stocks in the energy sector. If they can break out this level here, and then they can continue to the upside. XLC, which the computer service sector, they also doing well here. Okay, after come out last week, and then they be able to push it back up and gain a momentum to upside. If they can clear this level here, they will go up and test the all-time high again. So those stocks in this sector, you can see it like Facebook, right? They're doing very well right there, and Google. Okay, that's another one very strong in that sector. And the financial sector also gained some momentum, as you can see here. The financial have been go sideways. They hit to multiple resistance level here. Okay, but look like this time they try to aim here. If they can clear the resistance level here, it will be more bullish for the financial sector. This sector it keep going sideways for a while here. Okay, so time for them to find some momentum because right now we still don't have a stimulus package come out yet. So that one come out, they will have the sector to push it up to the upside. But even though the sector is still doing sideways, but a lot of stock are doing very well in this sector, like JP Morgan. It also try to find a way to push it back up. DFS, that's another discovery also try to break out of the resistance here and push it back to the up high. And let me see here, FRC, this one that I give you last week on the weekly market forecast, and this one that they are doing very well since last week and put it to the upside, and the momentum is still very strong. And the business service that we can see, couple of stocks, they're also doing well, and they try to turn around like very tall. That's one of them here. They're able to build a base, find a support, and turn around. Square, okay, PayPal, those guys, they go up, and then people take some profit. Now they try to build momentum here to try to put it back up again. And the IBB, which is the bio sector, they also drop down, they found a support, and then now they try to put it back up to the upside again. And in this sector, a lot of stuff that also show strength after they drop here, like Gillette, right? NK, okay, this one here, I try to put it back to the upside, and GN, okay, that's another one here. It also try to, this is the healthcare, they also try to gain some momentum right now because the more virus case happen, so those stocks they should be doing well. And the retail sector is also doing well after they pull back a little bit and they continue to the upside. And IWM, okay, which is more cap top, it also stabilize here and try to find a way to break out this level here. So you can look at a couple of stocks in the retail and small cap top, like UA, okay, and more. They're doing very well for the last couple of weeks and try to put it to the upside. Macy also try to find a way to turn around there. AMF, that's another stock that they try to turn around also here on the retail sector. Hotel, casino, they're also doing well. They try to turn around here, and okay, like MGM, casino, or and a Marriott hotel. They also try to build a bay, try to find a way to put it back up again. And the technology stock also, a couple of them are doing very well, like AMD, as you can see here. After they pull back down, they found support. Now they try to turn around. S, L, and S. Xiling, another one. Try to find a way up there. AIMC. Okay, so this one here is also a breakout with a strong momentum there. So these are just a few stocks that I'm showing you here. In our expert live trading room every day, we analyze a lot of more stock in the real time when the market opens, so our member can follow along and know when they're supposed to get in and when to close and get out or to take a profit. So if you would like to learn how to do day trade, swing trade, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching. Let's have a good week trading and take care, everyone.